Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2011 BMW 3 Series. This is 10.25 inches high definition screen. It comes with the Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth phone call, and Bluetooth music. Originally, the dash doesn't have any navigation. Okay, you can see that. Yes, you can see it's the basic radio here. And now we just install the 10.25 inches here. We also install the iDrive. You can see that the iDrive is right here. So you can see that we can also use the iDrive here to control the screen. You can see that. It's very nice. I'm gonna take a closer picture for you. This one also light up as the same dashboard light with the orange color. Okay, you can also use this one to control the screen. Okay. So this one comes with a built-in navigation system for sure, okay? And it doesn't require any Wi-Fi or data to use the GPS because the system comes with a built-in GPS receiver, okay? Let me talk about something about the specification, hardware specification of the system first. This one is come with the newest Android 10.0. And it comes with the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage memory. It also comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay. And you also use the Qualcomm Snapdragon. That means it also supports 4G LTE. So basically, it's top of the line right now. And the screen resolution is 1970 by 720. It's much higher resolution than 480p screen. And the navigation is right here. How to use the navigation? Just click on the bottom right corner here, and then new road, and then address, and then you can enter the address here. Go back, and then we can also use the iDrive to go back. This is the Bluetooth. Okay, so basically you can also use this one to connect to the Bluetooth, and this one also. Okay, so basically this one also the music is very nice, and this one also comes with the car info system. That means it also shows the RPM and also the speed here, you know. So it's very nice. You can see this. You can also change the color here. You can also change the orange, blue, and purple. Depends on your personal preference. Okay, I guess red is more sporty feel. And this one also comes with the Wi-Fi, just like what I mentioned. As long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can use most of the feature of the system. For example, you can use the Google Map here. The Google Map is the newest version. You can see that it's very fast. Okay, and this is the newest version of the Google Map. As you can also download the map data to the unit, because the unit comes with 64GB. That means once you download the map data to the unit, you do not need to connect to the Wi-Fi. You can still access the Google Map and then without connect to the Wi-Fi. And then you can go back here, and then you can, as long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can also use the internet browser here. Okay. Other than that, you can also watch the YouTube. You can see that, and the speed is very fast. Okay. It also supports the 4G LTE. Okay, that means if you have an extra SIM card, phone card, and then you can just put it on the left side of the unit, and then you can access to the internet anywhere on the road without connecting to the hotspot on the cell phone. And then other than that, you have the preload software for you, and then you can watch the movie here. And this one requires Wi-Fi. You can also download the movie to the USB. This system will come with the USB. So basically, you just need to use a USB stick, and then you can copy the movie to the USB, and then you can play that on the system. Let me show you something about the resolution of the screen.
We're going to need to operate outside the system. Deckard Shaw.
Another thing is, you also support the steering wheel control.
Rogue former MI6 agent. Doesn't play well without it.
The sound quality is very good. And also one thing I want to mention, this system also comes with the auxiliary filter. That means the sound quality is much better than most of the system in the market right now. Because this system does not, this kind of system, they don't come with the amplifier. How they produce the sound, they go through the original auxiliary channel. So basically, how to, this is the original radio here. Okay, and then every time when you use the system, you just need to click on the AUX mode. Okay, click on the audio, go to AUX mode, and then you can go back to the original screen, go back to the new screen, and then you can play the music. You can also use this one to control, use the iDrive to control it. Okay. And now I'm gonna show you something of the setting of the system. Okay. So basically, this one you can download any of the application to the system for sure. Okay, you can, as long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can go to the Google Play Store here, and then you can download the Facebook, Instagram, Prime Video, Netflix, anything. Okay, but most of the software they require Wi-Fi. Okay. And then other than that, you can also install the backup camera on the vehicle too. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to change the setting of the system. If you want to install the aftermarket cameras, then you can go to setting, go to camera selection, aftermarket camera here. If you want to install a 360-degree camera, you can also choose the 360-degree camera too. Okay, and then other than that, you can choose the default navigation software. You can choose iGo, Waze, or Map. Okay. And then you can also go to Factory, go to Android, Network, and Internet to connect to your cell phone hotspot. Okay, just keep that in mind. It's under Setting, Android, Network to connect to the Wi-Fi. You can also change the time zone here. Okay, if we are in Toronto, so basically we change to the Eastern Standard Time. And because this one does not equip with the original navigation, so when you click on car, you will just show the clock here. It's very nice. And other than that, it's pretty straightforward and very user-friendly. And now I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. This one comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, so basically this is the iPhone here. So basically you need to connect to the Bluetooth. Okay, so go to Setting here, go to Bluetooth. Maybe I need to unpair another one first. Looks like I have two devices with the same name. Okay, I'm gonna pair it. Turn off the Bluetooth on my phone and turn on again. Okay, click on this one. You can also search the phone from the unit. Oh, it shows up on the screen. Okay, perfect. Just click on this one, connect. As you can see, we already connect to the Bluetooth. Okay, now once you connect to the Bluetooth, you can go back and then go to apps, go to C-Link, or maybe Speed Play, depends. And then you can see that the screen will show that it's connecting. For the first time, you might take a little bit time to pair it. Once you pair, every time when you get into the car, it's automatic to connect to your car for the wireless CarPlay. Okay, you can see the message on the phone. Use CarPlay. Grant authorization. Perfect. Okay, great. This is wireless Apple CarPlay. Okay, you can see that it's very nice. You can also listen to the music on the phone, and then you can also use all the apps right here. Okay, so basically it's pretty straightforward. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.